what's real from what is not. What I got is more than I ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no amount of praise can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you. Showing me how to give and how to take the mistake we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you.
Okay kids, bigay niyo yung mga roses sa inyong mga mommies.
What I've been dreaming of, and now I know there's things that I couldn't do. Teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions.